Good morning, it's Flapjack and Beans again here. So we're in the workshop again today. It's a tyre change day again, so I'm going up for some new tyres. I'm putting Continental Trail Attack 3s back on, taking off the Michelin Road Pilot 6s. I just thought I'd give you a little rundown what's appertaining. The Michelins have done, I don't know, probably 8,000 miles, so as a wear tyre I think they're pretty good. But I do prefer the Continentals, that's just my opinion. I've cleaned my chain up ready to go back on, I've cleaned my spindles ready to go back on. I've got my Acra to clean up yet, which has got to go back on. I ain't got tyres yet, I get tyres later on next week. Well, yeah, I think I'll go up on Thursday. I'm just keeping my eye on this coolant here, I'm a bit concerned about that. I'm going to talk to Judd Racing about that shortly. But, I had it half here. It just seems to be using a little bit of coolant from somewhere, I don't know where. I can't find any leaks, I've been all over it. And, they say they backflushed it or pressure tested it or whatever. But anyhow, we'll get to that. So yeah, here are the tyres that have come off. I'm in our lass's wool shop as usual, we share it as a workshop. Yeah, the front tyre you could say, it's cupping a little bit here. Back tyre's gone, so it were wibbly wobbly yesterday, so I weren't happy about it. So the mighty orange is stripped down yet again, so I'll get back to you and show you what we do from here.